Welcome. If you've ever come across a Discord server that's breaking the rules or making the platform unsafe, knowing how to report it is essential. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the updated process of reporting a specific server in Discord, so you can help keep the community safe and welcoming for everyone. First, open up the Discord app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. This process currently works best on mobile, as the report option is primarily available there. Next, navigate to the list of servers you're a part of. Scroll through and tap on the server you want to report. It's important that you're actually a member of the server, as you need to access it directly to make a report. Once you're inside the server, look to the very top of your screen and tap on the server's name. This will open up the server's settings and information menu. Now, scroll all the way down until you see the option labeled Report Server. Tap on it. If you don't see this option, double-check that you're on the mobile app and that you've selected the correct server. Discord occasionally updates its interface, so make sure your app is up to date for the latest features. After tapping Report Server, you'll be prompted to select a reason for your report. Discord provides several categories, such as harassment, spam, or other violations of their community guidelines. Choose the reason that best matches the issue you've encountered. Once you've selected your reason, you may have the option to add more details or evidence. Be as specific as possible. Include examples, screenshots, or descriptions if you can. This helps Discord's trust and safety team understand the situation and take appropriate action. Finally, tap Submit. Your report will be sent directly to Discord's moderation team for review. They'll investigate the server and take action if necessary to keep the community safe. And that's it. Reporting a server in Discord is straightforward, but it's a powerful way to protect yourself and others from harmful behavior. Remember to only use this feature for genuine violations, and together, we can help make Discord a better place for everyone. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.